Are you tired of your Google Calendar being a cluttered mess? Learn how to create a new calendar in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to add a new calendar, from finding the right button to setting your time zone. First, head over to the Other Calendars section in the lower left corner. Then click on the plus icon to add a new calendar. From the drop-down menu, select Create New Calendar. Now, type in your calendar name, for example, Bobby Calendar. Then add a description, like Bobby's schedule. Next, change the time zone by clicking on the Time Zone drop-down. Choose Los Angeles, United States as your time zone. Finally, click on Create Calendar to finish. Your new calendar is ready to go. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.